Good morning, everyone. I hope you're having a nice weekend. So this week we are going to work with our brushes and we're going to be working with blending tools so we could learn all the different effects. Photoshop has 27 blending modes, and you could see those here. I took a screenshot and put it in the assignment so you could see where it is. And each one has a different effect, right? So what I would like you guys to do, it's pretty simple, to come up with either print or a stripe layout, something using the brushes and the different blending modes. Here I created a diagonal stripe with all different kinds of effects. I'll go through and show you each one. But step one for this week's assignment is going to be researching 2024, or you can even go 2025 color trends. This one I pulled from WGSN. It's for spring summer 2024, and what I did is created my own color box. So I'm going to break this assignment down into a few videos. So the next, I'm going to stop here, and the next one I'm just going to show you how to add a new color story, and then the other video I will post on the tools and the blending effects. Okay?